This is surprisingly amazing. All my favorite dishes in one roof. Pero hindi ako wala namang tumitingin siguro. Ang cute nito, super. Ang cute, ang dami nilang nilagay na gelatin, no? Aray! A beautiful day mga kasawa. Welcome to another Sawa sa Kainan mini vlog where we share the latest foods, eats, and finds here in Dubai and across UAE. We're going to eat another unlimited restaurant, Hot Pot. And I think they have been here for years already and I've been here. And this time, babalik ako kung saan ako nag-enjoy. This has been somehow a memory in me na gusto kong balikan. Kaya pumunta ako dito sa Hot Pot Factory dito sa Salah Al Din. This is surprisingly amazing. Ang dami ng selection ng kanilang pwedeng gamitin sa hot pot and grill. Mapa, kumakain ako ng gulay. All my favorite dishes in one roof. Tsaka yung special boba milk tea. Titikman natin mamaya, okay? Nice. May lumpia. Bawal? Sorry, I correct myself. They have 45, pinakamura. We have the 59 next, and then last is the 69 dirham. So expert na ako sa pricing, pwede na ako. Can I work here? So maglalagay na tayo ng mga grills. Aray! Dandahan lang kasi mainit. So ito yung parang kanilang rice noodles. Laki, no? As what I expected, ang sarap. Parang japchae style na rice noodles. May Cajun sila. Let's eat. Malambot ang squid, okay? Let's have one more bite. Ang sarap eh. Kimchi rice with Cajun. So let's try their salted egg, ha? Sarap. Oy, nagutom na rin siya. Meron din silang dim sum, oh. I miss Philippines. Maraming siomai doon sa atin. And now, ito yung hot pot. Kumuha ko ng hot pot. Comforting, alam mo yun. You just need a cup of soup. And that makes your day, di ba? Let's try to dig in what are the contents inside this taro milk tea. Ang cute nito, super. Just the right sweetness. Ang cute, ang dami nilang nilagay ng gelatin, no? Pwede siguro ako pumunta dito just to order this, no? Another successful food trip. I like it here. I'm already full and I had a blast here at Hot Pot Factory sa Salah Al Din. Thank you so much for watching at the end of this video. See you again for another food trip dito lang sa Sawa sa Kainan mini vlog. Bye!